first year business owner and still working 12-hour shifts at my W-2 job. If you had to start over in my situation, how would you grow the business without burning out going into year two?
Cool. So this is where we talk about capacity based growth. That is, how many budget hours can you actually get done without burning out? So really trying to define, okay, how many customers can I have? How many jobs can I do? How many budget hours can I complete each week without burning out? And so if you're working 12-hour shifts, I'm going to go out on a limb and say you don't have a lot of bandwidth in terms of time, assuming it's not one per week. If you're working 12 hours a day, 5 days a week, 60-hour shifts, like 60 hours worth of work, you don't have a lot of bandwidth for growing a business. I'll be honest. You're probably on weekends. So you're probably looking at 10 to 15 budget hours a week that you can reasonably do without burning out. And then ideally, you can cut how many shifts per week you have and merge into being a business owner and increase the capacity on the other side. So if you're like, okay, I can work 70 hours a week without burning out. Okay, great. Let's assume that 50 of them is going to this other job. That means you have 20 hours you can work on your business. Out of those 20, let's assume you're 75% efficient. That's 15 budget hours per week that you can get done without burning out. And then as you reduce the hours you work at your W-2, you could increase the capacity for your business.